Hi, happy Earth Day. Today is 22nd April and we all celebrate this day as Earth's Day. Yes, our Mother Earth, a beautiful green Mother Earth. She's given us so much. She's she keeps on giving us endless bounty and abundance of nature. She gives us air, she gives us water. And what do we all human beings do? Take her for granted? See how angry is Mother Earth. And when Mother Earth gives us water, we get those beautiful rivers and we swim in those rivers. She's happy. But when Mother Earth is angry, there are floods, there are tsunamis. So, dear children, let's take a pledge today to keep our Mother Earth happy. And let's be kind to our Mother Earth. Let's be compassionate towards our Mother Earth and not make our Mother Earth a garbage yard. How do we do about this? I'm sure we all know and will recall some things. Before that, I want to share one incident with you. When I was a little girl, I used to hate sharing my things with anyone. When my brother used to ask my toys, I used to cry and howl and never wanted to share my things. But I expected to get everything in return. I was never happy giving my things. One day I was going with my Nanaji near a temple and I saw this little girl without slippers, a bowl in her hand, and tattered clothes. And I had an apple in my hand. And I was just 4 5 years old. My Nanaji told me, give this apple to this girl. And you know what I said? I don't want to give. Because I had this habit of not giving. I had this habit of not sharing. My Nanaji told me, Beta, she needs it more than you. And then I thought, and I gave and shared my apple with this little girl. Do you know what happened? My life turned after that. And in return, what did I get? A beautiful, innocent, vibrant smile of this little girl. She must be hardly 2 3 years old, and I must be hardly 5 6 years old. And this beautiful smile touched my life. And that day, I realized what is the joy of sharing? What is the joy of giving? My dear children, it is immense pleasure when we share. It is immense joy when we give things. And I'm sure you all know this. Same way, our Mother Earth is giving us day and night, 24 by 7. And we all human beings take our Mother Earth for granted. Can we not love our Mother Earth like our own mother and keep hugging her, keep pampering her, and keep playing with her? How do we go about it? So, this question I'm putting it to all of you there. Let's write a lovely letter to Mother Earth and seek her blessings. Let's say sorry to her. Let's pledge today that from today onwards, we are not going to throw our garbage here and there. We'll have dustbins for that. Why we have made dustbins? Why do we litter here and there? And let's promise not to waste water. Let's utilize water judicially. There are millions of young children and people in the whole world who don't get water to drink also. We are privileged ones. Let's promise to recycle glass. Okay? Let's promise to recycle plastic. And let's promise to recycle paper also. always switch off the light when it's of no use in the room. These small things will really can help us keep our Mother Earth happy. Okay? We want the fresh air to breathe. We want this beautiful environment around us. So do you all pledge with me? And let's sing the song, Heal the World. I've sent that song in the group. Let's hear that song. See you. Bye. So my dear children, gradually I learned the joy of sharing, the joy of giving, the joy of caring. So when you have love here and when you share it with people around, you feel so happy, you're on cloud 9. So I shared a story of my real life which changed my whole perception of seeing life. So my dear children, how do you share? How do you care? Tell me your stories. When you give, how does you feel happy? See how this bird is so happy. Can you hear the bird singing? So our Mother Earth is happy today because we are talking about her, right? So let's sing this song, Heal the World, because this is one of my favorite and I love it.